In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Opera browser. To begin, let's click on your Windows icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like a small Windows logo. When you click on it, you will see the Start menu appear. This menu gives you access to all your installed applications and settings. It is the gateway to your computer's features. This step is essential because it helps you navigate your system easily. You will notice various programs listed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout of the Start menu. Next, type Opera into the search bar. The search bar is typically located at the bottom of the Start menu. As you start typing, the system will automatically generate results that match what you're looking for. This feature is incredibly helpful because it saves you time and effort. You won't have to scroll through all your applications to find Opera. Instead, just typing the name will bring it right to your fingertips. Once you've typed Opera, look closely at the suggestions that pop up. Now it's time to hit the Enter key. This action will execute the search you just performed. You will see your screen respond as it processes your request. This step is crucial because it tells your computer to take action based on your input. After you press Enter, watch for the search results to change. If everything goes smoothly, you will see the Opera browser icon displayed on your screen. If the Opera shortcut is available and displayed, click on it twice to launch. Clicking twice is important because it signals your computer to start the application. You will see the Opera browser window open up in just a moment. This can be a satisfying experience as it indicates you are ready to browse the web. Once the Opera browser is open, you will notice a clean interface with easy access to your favorite features. You have successfully opened the Opera browser. This means you can now enjoy a fast and secure browsing experience. Remember, knowing how to launch your applications efficiently can save you time in the long run. You can now explore the internet seamlessly using Opera's powerful features. You might want to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and options available in the browser. In summary, opening the Opera browser is a straightforward process that involves just a few steps. First, clicking on the Windows icon, then typing Opera, hitting Enter, and finally clicking on the shortcut twice. Each step is designed to ensure you can access your favorite browser quickly and efficiently. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel confident in opening the Opera browser anytime you need it. Remember, practice makes perfect. So don't hesitate to repeat these steps until you feel comfortable. Enjoy browsing.